Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Okay, I'm gonna be fine. Moving runway, moving runway. There it is! Here we go! Okay, maybe if I just came...
Brody, that doesn't mean it's a good tire. If you use any kind of equipment that doesn't fit, you...
Thanks for the help, Corporal.
Anything for one of Pop's mates.
Now it's my turn!
Rogie, what do you want?
Here I am! Everybody get some more!
This funnel makes me feel silly.
Not at all, my friend.
Guido, he dreamed to be the real race car. A pit stop.
Pit stop?
Oh, Corey, there's a lot more to racing than just winning. I mean, taking the race by a full... My trailer.
I parked it over your sponsor's tent.
What?
You gotta make your personal appearance.
No.
the car and has the Tormentor in his signature dreadlock.
Me be jamming now, man.
Got to feel the wrath of the Lower Belleville County Unified School District.
Good jigger.
I've been kind of lonely. Nobody to hang out with.
Dus als jullie naar huis rijden, kijk dan goed uit. Het spooklicht.
Correcto. Hay que ir recto. Ya hoy suficiente. Y fuera.
Don't forget to tip the wait.
Francesco lost a lot of momentum in the dirt.
Call out our speed!
208 miles per hour. 200.
No, I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Ramon will paint you up right. Hey, anything you want. You know, like the flame job.
Okay.
Maybe.
Tiger is.
What?
We're gonna be going now, okay?
A little something to remember us by.
La grúa dijo recto, ¿cierto? Correcto. Recto.
Trooper responded. Where's Mater? Right behind. Boom. Put it in reverse, pal. Make room for Mater.
Ramon, Mama ain't seen you that low in years.
I haven't seen a road like.
Hire her. I don't care. Lightning, now that you're retired, I need you first thing Monday morning for a photo.
I hereby dub thee.
I thought you were supposed to be making me a disguise.
Voice recognized. Disguise program initiated.
McQueen and Sally, part beneath the cake. K-I-S-S.
Okay, I didn't want to have to do this, Doc, but you leave me no choice. Fellow citizens,
Well, then race for me.
Tax!
Miss Cruz, I would be tickled pink to have you race for...
Just wanted to come down here and to personally thank you, because after Italy, I was finished, and then you gave...
Don't worry, Mama. McQueen is very sad. I will